It's another great day at Barnyard Daycare. Let's go help Farmer Mia and Farmer Milo feed our baby animal friends.
Howdy, partner. Want to come help us feed Baby Pig? Baby Pig needs his purple power cauliflower, so he has the power to skate anywhere. Oh no! Baby Pig, are you stuck in the mud?
Don't worry, Baby Pig. You just need some purple power cauliflower to help you get unstuck.
Oh, chicken feathers. The power cauliflower is missing its purple color.
Mia, Milo, and Baby Pig need your help to find the purple power cauliflower's missing color. Let's try this color. Is this the color purple? No, that's blue. Let's try a different color. What about this one? Is this the color purple? No, that's not purple. That's orange. Let's pick again. Yeehaw! That's it. You found the power cauliflower's missing purple color.
Pull, Baby Pig! Use your purple cauliflower power! It's time to feed Baby Pony. Come with us. She needs to eat her red hide-and-seek strawberries so she can find her favorite flower.
Oh, sweet baby pony. You're still looking for your missing flower, huh?
Well, we have just the thing to help you find it.
Some red hide-and-seek strawberries!
Twisted tractors! The hide-and-seek strawberries are missing their red color!
Can you help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pony find the missing red color? Very awesome! Let's try this color. Is this the color red? No, that's yellow. Let's try a different color. Did we turn the strawberries red? Not quite right. That's purple. Let's try one more time. Fruit-tacular! You did it! You found the hide-and-seek strawberries missing red color.
Now that you've had some red hide-and-seek strawberries, do you think you can find your favorite flower? It's time to feed our friend Baby Goat. Let's go. She needs her green super spinning salsa to help her land her awesome spinning ballet move.
That was a great try, Baby Goat. You'll land that amazing spin soon. I know it.
And guess what we brought to help? Your green super spinning salsa. It'll help you do the best spin you ever spun.
Muffin hay bales! The super spinning salsa is missing its green color!
Mia, Milo, and Baby Goat need your help to find the super spinning salsa's green color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color green? No, that's red. We need to try a different color. What about this one? Is this the color green? Looks like we picked blue. Let's try to find green one more time. Twirl-rific! That's it! You found the super spinning salsa's missing green color.
Now that you've had some green super spinning salsa, you can spin and spin without knocking down your castle.
Thanks for all your help feeding the baby animals today. Come back to the barnyard real soon.
Howdy, friend! You're just in time!
We're headed across the barnyard to feed baby pig. He needs to eat some orange strength sweet potatoes, so he'll have the strength to knock down a giant block tower.
That was a good try, baby pig.
But it looks like you could use some help. Ready for your orange strength sweet potatoes?
They'll give you the strength to knock over that whole block tower. Lickety-split. Here you go.
The orange strength sweet potatoes are missing their orange color.
Can you help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pig find the missing orange color? Great! Let's try this color. Is this the color orange? No, that's purple. We need to pick again. Are the sweet potatoes orange now? No, that's blue. We'll need to try again. What about this color? Hovering honeybees, you got it. You found the strength sweet potatoes missing orange color.
Now that you've had some orange strength sweet potatoes, you'll finally have the strength to knock over that block tower. Let's go feed baby pony.
We're gonna give her brown jumping gingerbread so she can hop extra high on her trampoline.
Yay! That was great, baby pony.
And once you have some brown jumping gingerbread, you'll be able to hop higher than the moon.
Yay! Oh no!
The brown jumping gingerbread has lost its brown color.
We need to help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pony find the missing brown color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color brown? No, that's pink. We need to try again. What about this color? Is this brown? No, that's green. But what about this color? Is this the color brown? Tractorific! You got it! You found the jumping gingerbread's missing brown color.
Hooray! Now baby pony will be able to jump higher than ever. Come on! We're gonna go feed baby goat. She needs to eat her pink posing power pomegranate so she can do amazing poses for her photo shoot. Hiya, baby goat. Looks like you're almost ready for your photo shoot.
You just need one more thing. A pink power pomegranate to help you pose.
Rooster feathers!
The pomegranate's pink color. It's gone.
Mia, Milo, and Baby Goat need your help to find the power pomegranate's missing pink color. Is this the color pink? No, that's orange. We need to pick again. Did we find the color pink? No, that's green. Let's try another color. Did we find the color pink? Hoppin' hay bales! You did it! You found the Posing Power Pomegranate's pink color.
Yee-haw! Now Baby Goat can do the perfect poses for her photo shoot.
We fed every single baby animal today. Hooray! Y'all come back to the barnyard again real soon.
Hey there! We're on our way to feed the baby animals. Wanna join us? Come on! Baby Pony needs her Breezy Brown Brownies so she can make her bubbles fly high in the sky.
Oh no, Baby Pony wants the bubbles to float higher, but they keep popping.
Then it's a good thing we brought you some Breezy Brown Brownies.
They'll help your bubbles soar higher than 10 stacked tractors. Oh, Scamper and Scarecrows! The Breezy Brownies are missing their brown color.
Mia, Milo, and Baby Pony need your help to find the Breezy Brownies' missing brown color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color brown? No, that's yellow. Why don't we try a different color? What about this one? Is this the color brown? No, that's not brown. That's green. Let's pick again. Did we find brown? Dancing dandelions! You did it! You found the Breezy Brownies' missing brown color.
Everyone ready? 3, 2, 1, blow! Yay!
And I need your help. It's time for us to feed Baby Pig. He needs to eat his bouncy blue blueberry pop so he can land an awesome basketball trick shot. Hey there, Baby Pig. Were you trying to bounce your basketball through that hoop? Well, then we have just the thing for you.
A bouncy blue blueberry pop. This will help you hit that trick shot in no time.
Poppin' hay bales. The bouncy blueberry pop is missing its blue color.
Can you help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pig find the missing blue color? Great! Let's try this color. Is this the color blue? No, that's orange. We should try a different color. Is this the right color? Not quite. That's red. We're looking for blue. Let's try one more time. Bounce-tacular! That's right. You found the bouncy blueberry pop's missing blue color.
Now that you've had your bouncy blue blueberry pop, you're ready to give your trick shot another try. It's time to bring Baby Goat something tasty.
Baby Goat needs her snowy sweet green apple treat so she can have the best snow day ever.
Oh, Baby Goat. It's a little too warm to go snowboarding, huh?
Well, then it's a good thing we brought you a snowy sweet green apple treat. It's so frosty cold, it'll make you feel like it's a snowy winter's day.
Golly gee chillikers! The The snowy sweet apple treat is missing its green color.
Mia, Milo, and Baby Goat need your help to find the snowy sweet apple treat's missing green color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color green? No, that's pink. We need to try a different color. What about this one? Is this the color green? Looks like we picked purple. Let's try one more time. Farmtastic! That's it! You found the snowy sweet apple treat's missing green color.
Nice and icy. Feeling chilly, baby goat?
Hey, you! We're on our way to feed Baby Pony! She needs to eat her pink pirate papaya so she can find her buried treasure.
Don't cry, baby pony. You'll find your lost toy soon. I'm sure of it.
We know what will help you find that toy. Some pink pirate papaya.
Yeah! Pirates are experts at finding hidden treasures. This is exactly what you need.
Oh, for hate's sake, the pirate papaya has lost its pink color.
Mia, Milo, and Baby Pony need your help to find the pirate papaya's pink color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color pink? No, that's blue. We'll need to try a new color. What about this one? Is this the color pink? No, that's green. Let's try one more time. Great goose feathers! That's it! You found the pirate papaya's missing pink color.
Now that you've had some pink pirate papaya, think you can find your buried treasure?
It's time to feed our friend, Baby Pig. He needs a yellow out-of-this-world omelet so he can finish building his rocket ship to the moon. Oh, where could our Baby Pig be?
Looks like your rocket is almost ready to blast off. All you need now is one yellow out-of-this-world omelet!
Oh, chirping chicks! The out-of-this-world omelet has lost its yellow color!
Looks like we need to help our barnyard buddies. Can you find the missing yellow color? Is this the color yellow? No, that's not yellow. That's green. How about this color? Did we find yellow? No, that's red. But what about this color? Is this yellow? You got it, partner. You found the out-of-this-world omelet's missing yellow color.
All systems go, Baby Pig.
Get ready to blast off!
We're on our way to feed Baby Goat.
She needs to eat some roaring red raspberries so she can roar like a real lion. Who's this ferocious lion? Are you playing pretend, Baby Goat?
Big lions have big roars. Let's hear your biggest lion roar.
That was a really good try, baby goat. But maybe you should eat some Roaring Red Raspberries.
Then you'll be able to do the biggest roar ever!
Rooster feathers! The Roaring Raspberries have lost their red color!
We've got to find the Roaring Raspberry's missing red color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color red? No, that's brown. How about we try a new color? What about this one? Is this the color red? No, that's yellow. Let's try another color. What about this one? Yeehaw! You did it! You found the Roaring Raspberry's missing red color.
Mia, where did our baby goat go?
I don't know, Milo. All I see here is one big, brave lion.
It's a bright and sunny day down at the Barnyard Daycare. Let's saddle up and help Farmer Mia and Farmer Milo feed the baby animals.
Well, howdy there, friend. We're on our way to feed baby goat. She needs some Rockstar Red Raspberries to help her reach those high notes. What's that sound?
It's baby goat. She sang so much she tired out her voice.
Well, then it's a good thing we brought some Rockstar Red Raspberries.
Yeah! These raspberries will have you hitting those high notes in no time, baby goat.
Holler and hoedowns! The Rockstar Raspberries have lost their red color!
Mia, Milo, and baby goat need your help to find the Rockstar Raspberry's missing red color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color red? No, that's orange. We'll need to try a new color. What about this one? Is this the color red? Looks like we picked blue, not red. Let's try one more time. Waving windmills. That's it. You found the Rockstar Raspberry's missing red color.
Now that you've had some of those Rockstar Red Raspberries, you should be ready to rock the barn, baby goat.
It's time for us to feed baby pony. Let's go!
She needs to eat some orange climbing carrot cake so she can climb to the top of anything she wants. Yay!
Aw, you want to climb to the top of your post, don't you, baby pony?
Don't worry, cutie pie. We'll help you get to the top of that post.
Yeah, all you need is some orange climbing carrot cake, and you'll be climbing like a pro in no time. Oh, grinning grasshoppers! The climbing carrot cake has lost its orange color!
Looks like we need to help our barnyard buddies. Let's try to find the missing orange color. Is this the color orange? No, that's not orange. That's green. How about this color? Did we find orange? No, that's blue. But what about this color? Is this orange? Good golly, that's the one. You found the climbing carrot cake's missing orange color.
Now that you've had some orange climbing carrot cake, why don't you try climbing one more time?
You're just in time to help us feed Baby Pig.
He needs to eat some blue bowling blueberries to help him bowl over some blocks. Great job, Baby Pig! You knocked down a block!
Oh, you were trying to knock all of the blocks down, weren't you?
It's okay, Baby Pig. Once you have some blue bowling blueberries, you're sure to knock down every single block. Whopping watering cans! The bowling blueberries have lost their blue color.
We've got to find the bowling blueberries missing blue color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color blue? No, that's red. How about we try a different color? What about this one? Is this the color blue? No, that's brown. Let's try a new color. What about this one? Yippee! You did it! You found the bowling blueberries missing blue color.
Now that he's had some blue bowling blueberries, Baby Pig can knock down every block at once.
Great job feeding all the baby animals today. Come on back to the barnyard real soon. Welcome to Barnyard Daycare. You're just in time to help Farmer Mia and Farmer Milo feed all our cute baby animal friends.
Hey there! We're on our way to feed the baby animals. Come with us.
Baby Pig needs his Soaring Red Strawberries before he rides his imaginary hoverboard. They'll help him fly super high.
Baby Pig, you little cutie. Are you pretending that you're soaring through the sky on your hoverboard?
Well, then we've got just the snack for you. Some sweet Soaring Red Strawberries.
Racing rodeos! The Soaring Red Strawberries' red color is missing!
Can you help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pig find the missing red color? Great! Let's try this color. Is this the color red? No, that's green. We need to pick again. How about this one? Is this red? No, that's blue. But what about this color? Is this red? Hop in hay bales. That's it. You found the Soaring Strawberries' red color.
Now Baby Pig can fly through the sky on his hoverboard, just like he always dreamed.
Let's feed our friend Baby Pony.
We're gonna bring her frozen green farm apples. They're just what she needs to do her tractor-rific ice skating tricks. Hey there, Baby Pony.
It's a little too warm out to go ice skating, huh?
Not to worry, Baby Pony. These frozen green farm apples are so cold, you're gonna feel like you're skating on the North Pole.
Nay!
Oh, rooster feathers! The frozen farm apple's green color has disappeared!
We need to help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pony find the missing green color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color green? No, that's pink. We need to pick again. Does this look like the color green? No, that's purple. Let's try one more time. Is this the color green? Chirp and chickens. You got it! You found the frozen farm apple's green color.
Hooray! Now Baby Pony can finally practice her ice skating. You can ask your parents to subscribe to Nick Jr.'s Blues Clues and You YouTube channel for new Barnyard Daycare videos every week. And find more of your favorite shows on Nickelodeon.